Hi, I'm Joanna King from Wish Rock Relaxation. Right now I'm inside the new MegaMotion 8955 iNFI Immerse. This was just released and we are at the Vegas Furniture Market in January of 2026. This chair is filled with all of MegaMotion's bells and whistles, infinite positioning and control of the backrest and the footrest independently, a tilt mechanism that tilts the seat box up, which is kind of nice. And also we've got gimbaled cup holders, surround sound that goes through the chair so you can immersively feel your movie or your music, as well as this new open arm design which provides a little bit of storage here for a book or whatever you're looking at, as well as 2 USB chargers and equalizing control of your music, which is really a nice feature, very unique to Ultra Comfort. One of the other things that this chair has that most of the other chairs don't is an air bladder massage. Now the air bladder massage will actually mimic the technology that is in all of our massage chairs. And so instead of the old vibration massage system, the air bladder massage is pretty fantastic because it will actually give you that gentle massage. And this chair has full body heat. Basically, you just sit back and enjoy, get into the position of your choice, adjust the power pillow, the power lumbar, and get yourself into the most relaxing position possible. So as you can see, the remote over here is very user-friendly. I especially like the tilt toggle here, but it's magnetic, so you don't have to ever fumble around for your remote. It just simply connects to the side, and you have the ability to route the remote to the right side or the left side of the chair, which is really convenient whether you're right-handed or left-handed. The other thing that's really special about the 8955 is that this cloth is the MegaGuard technology, which is waterproof, perfect for those with incontinence issues. And then also it's been tested for cytotoxicity to prevent bed sores for those of you that may want to sleep in these chairs or spend a longer amount of time per day in the chair. So rest assured, you or your loved ones will not only be safe, but extremely comfortable. Please be sure to subscribe to our channel, as well as shoot us a text or give us a call at 803-574-9474. And I hope to welcome you to our Wish Rock family.